Good evening, students. Welcome back to quantum mechanics class. In last lecture, we are completing our second chapter, in which we discuss about eigenvalues and eigenfunction as well as a linear operator. Today, we are going to solve some numerical problems related with this second chapter. Then we solve some numerical here. Some home assignment is there. After that, this chapter will be end. From tomorrow onwards, we start with third chapter, applications based on Schrodinger's wave equation. Okay, so let us start with first example. We have to solve some commutative relations, that is xpx which is equal to ypx which is equal to zpx is equal to I h cross. If we take the commutative relation with xpx, x with px, y with py, z with py, pz which is equal to I h cross, that we have to show that. Consider the commutator xpx, replacing x and p x by corresponding operators and allow the commutator to operate on a function psi x. If we operate that operators on a wave function psi of x, now operator of x is x, px operator is minus I h cross dou by dou x. Now if we operate that operator on a wave function psi of x, which is equal to minus I h cross x into dou psi by dou x plus I h cross into dou by dou x into x psi. Here x and psi both can vary with respect to x. That's why we have to use a UV formula. Minus I h cross x into dou psi by dou x plus I h cross psi, because dou x by dou x is 1, psi remains as it is, plus I h cross x into dou psi by dou x. Here minus I h cross x dou psi by dou x and plus I h cross x dou psi by dou x get cancelled. The remaining quantity is I h cross psi x minus I h cross d by dx into psi of x is equal to I h cross psi, or x px is equal to x minus I h cross d by dx is equal to I h cross. Okay, in this way we can show that x px is equal to I h cross. Similarly, we can solve ypy and zpy, zpz. Ypy and zpz is for your practice. You have to show that ypy and zpz is equal to minus I h cross. You have to solve this, or you have to show that these two relations and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Next, commutative relation is xpy, xy, yz and zx is equal to 0. How? That we have to show that. If we take the commutative relation xy, which is equal to, if we operate this xy on a wave function psi, it gives xy psi minus yx psi. This xy psi and minus yx psi both are same. They can subtract from each other, and finally we get xy is commutative relation xy is equal to 0. Similarly, yz also 0 and zx also 0. Okay. third commutative relation, Px Py is equal to Py Pz is equal to Pz Px is equal to 0. That we have to show that. Operator of Px is minus I cross dou by dou x. Operator of Py is minus I cross dou by dou y. Operator of Pz is minus I cross dou by dou z. If we take the commutative relation Px Py, which are going to operate on a wave function psi, which varies with respect to x and y, is equal to minus I cross dou by dou x, comma minus I cross dou by dou y into psi of xy. If we take this commutative relation, it gives minus h cross square dou square psi by dou x dou y minus dou square psi by dou y dou x. Both get cancelled and final answer is 0. Right hand side is 0 as the order of differential can be changed. Hence, the required result is Px Py is equal to 0. Similarly, we can prove that Py Pz and Pz Px all are 0. Okay. Now next, if x and px are coordinate and momentum operator, hence prove that x px raised to n is equal to n I h cross px raised to n minus 1. n I h cross px raised to n minus 1. How we can show that, or how we can prove? First, the commutative relation between x px raised to n can be split into x px raised to n minus 1 into px. That can be written in the form of x px into px raised to n minus 1, px raised to n minus 1 plus px into x px raised to n minus 1, x px raised to n minus 1. Now, we know the commutative relation between x px is equal to I h cross which I h cross into px raised to n minus 1 plus px into x px raised to n minus 2 plus px into x px raised to n minus 2. Next, x px is nothing but I h cross px raised to n minus 2 px raised to n minus 2 into px raised to 1. It gives px raised to n minus 1. It gives 2I h cross px raised to n minus 1 plus px square into x px raised to n minus 3 plus px into x px raised to n minus 3. It gives the 3I h cross px raised to n minus 1 plus px raised to px cube into x px raised to n minus 3. We can solve up to nth time. Finally, we get x px raised to n is equal to n I h cross px raised to n minus 1. n I h cross px raised to n minus 1. Means here we have to use some basic laws of commutative relation. If we use, we will get, or we can prove that x px raised to n is equal to n I h cross px raised to n minus 1. Okay. Next, prove the following commutative relation in the momentum representation. That is x px is equal to y py is equal to z pz is equal to I h cross. means what? X px is depends on function f of px, means function wave function f varies with respect to the momentum. The same method as we applied in above problem. Finally, you will get is cross. The commutative relation between x px is constant, which is equal to is cross. You can use any wave function, the result will be same. There is no difference, and this relation is constant, that is IH cross. X px y py z pz is equal to IH cross. Hence, similarly, xy yz and zx also equal to 0. xy yz and zx is also equal to 0. Okay. The next problem. Evaluate the operator x px square and xyz into px square. X px square can be solved x px into px plus px into x px. As we know, x px is nothing but IH cross into px remains as it is. Similarly, x px is nothing but IH cross px. It gives 2 IH cross px, or 2 IH cross px is nothing but minus IH cross dou by dou x, or minus I into I square, which is equal to minus 1 into minus, it gives plus. That's why 2h cross square dou by dou x. 2h cross square dou by dou x. Similarly, xyz into px square, which is equal to xyz into px plus px into xyz into px. Next, xy zpx into px plus xy px into zpx plus pxy px xy zpx plus px xy pzz. As we know, zpx is equal to IH cross, ypz is equal to IH cross, zpz is also equal to, or xpx is equal to h cross. If we substitute that value, we get means the first term the first and third term on the right hand side are 0, because z into px is 0, z into px is equal to 0. Therefore, x y z px square is equal to x y px z px plus x px y z px plus px x y px z plus px into x px y z. The first and third term on the right hand side are 0, hence y px is equal to 0, z px is also equal to 0. Finally, you get xyz px square is equal to IH cross yz px plus IH cross px yz, which is equal to 2 IH cross yz px, 2 IH cross yz px. d by dx yz f of x is equal to yz d by dx f of x, which is equal to 2h cross square yz dou by dou x. In this way, we can solve a different commutative relations by using operator and commutative formulas. If you have any doubt related with this relations or this problem, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Thank you.